Hello students, in this video we will discuss the exercise 3.1 question number 2. Okay, the doubt which you have to find the position of any object or anything in a plane, that will be clear with this question. Okay, so what this question says, let us read out that. Street plan. Question number 2, street plan. How a street has been planned, that is discussed here. A city has two main roads meeting at the center of the city. These two roads are along north-south direction and east-west direction. So one by one we will read the sentences of the question and we'll find the situation. We will observe the situation which is given in the question. Okay. So the city has two main roads meeting at the center of the city. Suppose this is the center of the city. Okay, center. These two roads are along north-south direction. North-south direction. One roads are in north-south direction. North-south direction. Okay, and east-west direction. East-west direction, and they are meeting at the center of the city. This is the center of the city. We can denote it with C. Denote it with C. Now all the other streets of the city run parallel to main roads. These are the main roads. All the other streets are running parallel with these streets. So some of the streets will be parallel to north-south direction and some of the streets will be parallel to east-west direction. Let us find out. Parallel to main roads and are 200 meter apart. So each streets which will be parallel to north-south direction and east-west direction are 200 meter apart from each other. There are about 5 streets in each direction. In this city there are 5 streets which are 200 meter apart from each other. Using 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. For drawing this chart, for drawing this situation in a board, we will take, the question have asked to take 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. Okay. So suppose we will draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represents roads, streets by a single line. By single lines we have to draw. It is asked the 5 streets are parallel. 5 streets are parallel with the north-south direction and 5 streets are parallel to the east-west direction. It is not given it is on this side or it is on this side. It is on this side or it is on the left side. Okay, so we can draw as we want it. Okay, the streets are 1 centimeter apart. 1 centimeter is equals to 200 meter. Here we will take 1 centimeter. Okay, let us draw. Suppose this is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 streets. Na? Okay, 3 streets we will draw this direction and other streets we can draw in this direction only. Suppose we will start writing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then now parallel to east-west direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 streets. Okay. So a line is needed to draw this as the question says. Like this. Like this. Like this. The 4th street. The 5th street. The 1st street which is parallel to north-south direction. The 2nd street which is parallel to north-south direction, then 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay. So this is the plan of streets and this main roads. The main roads are this. Okay. Little bit to show it differently I am drawing like this. Okay. And the other lines are parallel to east-west direction and north-south direction. Okay. Now what question is saying? There are many cross streets in your model. As you can see, these are the cross streets. These are the cross streets. If I denote it with point, these are the cross streets. Okay, we can do downside also. A particular cross street is made by two streets. A particular cross street is made by two streets, of course. One is which is running parallel to the east-west direction, and the one street which is parallel to the north-south direction. Okay, so made by the two streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction, where is the second street which is running in the north-south direction? First, second. This is the second street. Okay, this is the second street. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fifth street in the east-west direction. Where is the fifth street which is east-west direction? This one. This is the fifth street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth one. This is second one. This is second one. This is fifth one. So, east-west direction meet at some crossing. They must be meeting at some crossing. So then we will call this cross street 2, 5. We will call this cross street, this second line which is in the north-south direction, and this fifth street which is in the east-west direction, where they are crossing each other here. So we can name it as 2, 5. The convenience of naming this position where they are crossing each other is this 2, 5. Okay. So using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3, and second, how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. Let us find out where 4, 3 and 3, 4 will be written. Like we have got 2, 5. Okay. So let us find the third street which is in the parallel to east-west direction. The third street is this which is parallel to the east-west direction, and the fourth street which is parallel to the north-south direction. This is the third street and this is the fourth street. So where they are intersecting? Here. So according to this convention, we can write what is the name of this position, as we can write 4 and 3. Now 3, 4, the third street which is parallel to the north-south direction is this, and the fourth street which is parallel to the east-west direction is this. So where they are crossing? Here. They are crossing each other at here. So we can write 3 and 4. We can write 3 and 4. So in this way we can have the value of a position in any situation like this. Thank you so much.